Hello everyone, welcome to the CrispMetrics. So guys, in our previous video we have seen what was right skewed and how we can try to see with the help of statistics, okay, we have something known as right skewness or not. So in this video we are going to see something known as left skewed, right? So it should be left skewed over there. So try to know this. Suppose we have this data set over there and we want to see it is having a left skewness or right skewness, right? So first of all, try to see over there mean, median, and mode. So try to find out over there mean, median, and mode. And why? I think we have discussed in our previous video. Please try to see over there. So try to see, calculate over there mean. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 110 plus 100 plus 110 plus 50 plus 100. Okay, so it should be 100 and 100, right? So it will be divided by 9. So your mean will be around 64, right? And your median, for median we know that we have to first convert it into an ascending order. So order will be 1, 2, 3, 50, 100, again 100, again 100, again 100. So try to, let me do this, 100, then 110, then 110. So try to see over there what will be the median. So number of elements are 9. So it is at odd. So our will be median will be 100. And what will be our mode? It will be 100 because we have 100 three times and 3 is a maximum number over there. So we can say 100 is a number which is occurring most of the time. So your mean is 64, 100 and again 100. Now what we will do, let's try to rub this. And now try to draw a plot over there, right? So create a line over there. It will be our x-axis in which we have to plot mean, median and mode. So your 64 will be there and your mean and median are same. So you can say 100, your mean and median. Sorry, your median and mode. Median and mode. Try to see over there how it will try to look. So it will try to start from there, or you can say it will try to start from there, right? It will be start from there and something like this. It will be start from there and something like this. So if your graph is extending towards your 64, right? So you can say if you have something known as outliers. Outliers means which is not in your range of your maximum range, which follows your data set. It means you have 100, 100, 100, 50, 100, right? So but we have 1, 2, 3 and which is not suitable for that. So this is something known as outliers over there. Now what we can do in our next video, we will see how we can handle this type of things, how we can convert this type of skewness into a normal Gaussian distribution, right? So see, this is something known as left skewness. So you can say if your mean is going to be less than your median, you can say it is something known as left skewed. So this type of question they can ask in your interviews. So try to learn this type of things. And for right skewed, if your mean is greater than your median, it is something known as right skewed. Then your graph will be right skewed over there. This is all about this video. We will see more things in our next videos. Please hit the like button if you like it. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.